Hi everyone, this is Dr. Wang. For Lab 10, we're going to use cloud computing to perform genome-wide association study on the Envo platform. To prepare for this lab, we have two pre-lab assignments. The first one is to claim Google Cloud Computing credit and create an Envo account. Part two, which is this assignment, is to help you understand the GWAS concept. This is a fairly complex concept. GWAS is a research methodology scanning the entire genome, looking for variations that are associated with certain disease or condition. So an easy entry to this concept is through AI-powered notebook LM. We have assembled this learning material for you. If you click on this link, this will bring you to Notebook LM for GWAS. So the first material to explore is the audio podcast, which is down here. So I'm going to click on this audio podcast.
Exactly. To a doctor looking at their charts, they are totally identical. Yet one of them is basically a ticking time bomb.
Yeah, harboring this massive biological risk.
Right. A risk that standard medical guidelines just won't catch until it's far too late.
All right, so I'm going to pause here. So this podcast is 22 minutes. And since it's a podcast, you can do this on the go, right? So just listen to that while you're doing other chores. So once you finish this podcast, it will give you a general understanding of what GWAS is. And then we're going to dive into the theory. So for this, please listen to the lecture recording. So when you click on this link, this is a lecture recording by our Dr. Randall. So please listen to this, and the accompanying slide is also included right here. So we have lecture slide and a terminology guide. If you click on those two, it will lead you to the resources. One is the slide, the other is the term definition. So this will give you a deeper understanding of the GWAS data analysis pipeline and how to interpret the data that you generate in Lab 10. So once you're done with step 1 and 2, please test your knowledge. So for this, we're going to go back to Notebook LM. So down here, we have already generated the flashcard and the GWAS quiz for you. So this is how to use this learning resource. I'm going to try a demo with the flashcard. So for example, we have a total of 43 cards. You can simply flip through to see the question and the answer, and then you can advance to the next card. And you can also score yourself. Okay, so I got the second card, perfect. And then perhaps this card, maybe not so much, right? So, and then you can scroll all the way down to the bottom, 43. So I'm going to do this hopefully quickly. And then in the end, it will give you a summary of your attempt right here. Okay, so since I only attempted two cards, so I only have got it and missed it for one. So, and then you can practice again. So here you can practice only the cards you missed, right? So this gives you lots of options. So this pre-class assignment, you are supposed to submit a screenshot demonstrating that you have completed the flashcard. So I'm going to do a screenshot for this flashcard right here. Okay, so then I'm going to close the card, all right, and then try the quiz. So this is multiple choice question, a total of 10 questions, and it is very similar. You can also pick, and then it also gives you explanations, right? So, and then I'm going to just go quickly through this quiz again, go to the very end. Okay, so maybe I'm going to close the audio so that I can see this a little bit better. All right, so I'm advancing quickly to the very last quiz. Once I click done, there is a summary as well. Right, so over here, please also do a screenshot. Right, so you can attempt this quiz multiple times. For the assignment purposes, you are required to submit, right? So upload 2 screenshots showing your completed flashcard and quiz results. This is for participation credit, so you don't have to have 100% on both. You can practice as many times as you want, but I mean, 100% is not necessary. However, we will start the GWAS lab with a quiz in class, so please come prepared.